Hey there, YouTubers. Gman from Texas here. Hey, today I'm going to do a video totally different from my other videos. You know, I'm versatile. Today I'm going to upgrade the RAM memory on my laptop. I have an older laptop that I want to use in my photography business for tethering. So I'm going to upgrade it from 4 gigabytes of RAM to a little higher, a little more RAM than that. So let's get to it. Hey there, YouTubers, the G-Man from Texas here, bringing you a brand new video. So here's my Livono 320, IdeaPad 320. It works pretty good for, household stuff, word processing, etc. But for photography, I'm gonna need something a little faster. Not a lot, but just a little bit. So we're going to be working on this baby. I don't have a magnetic screwdrivers, so I have to get the screws out with these tweezers. It makes it a little tougher, but gets the job done. And once you get to the last screw here, this is holding your little CD drive here. Take that out. Now the screws are out. I'm going to try to separate this back plate here. It's a very thin gap here. I'm going to try to see if I can do it with a guitar pick. If not, I'll have to find something else. You have to be careful. It has some clips. You don't want to break any of the clips so you can put it back on. Let's do it. I'm going to try to see if I can separate it with this guitar pick of mine. Let's give it a try. There it is. See how I separated it with the pick? So I got to go all around with the pick, slowly and easy. Try to separate the back like that. Just go around until we get it all off. So we go all around till we get it all unsnapped. Okay, so the clips are all off. Let's take this baby out of here. Here we go. Aha. Here's the battery, hard drive. And over here under this cover is where the RAM is. So I have some little clips here that I'm going to have to move away with my guitar pick. Lift this cover and the RAM should be right under there. We'll just pull them back away from the cover. Okay. Like that. And then we can remove the cover. Right there. We've got a couple more over here. A couple more over here to move back. Okay. And there you are. Okay, so this laptop has, it's got a welded 4 gigabyte RAM. And then here in this little extra expansion slot, it's got another 4. So that makes it a total 8. So I'm going to remove this 4 and replace it maybe with an 8. I don't know if I can go higher than that because there are limitations to this laptop. I'm looking at the schematic of this laptop and it's telling me I've got the 15 ABR, that's my model. It says that its maximum is 16 gigabytes. That's not a lot. Right now it's got 8. It's got a 4 built in and a 4 on this chip that we see right here. So I'm gonna take this 4 out and put an 8. That would give me 8 and 4, give me 12. Give me 12, and I can go to 16. So I've got to figure out and decide what I'm gonna do here. So for now, we're going to take this one out. I'm gonna pull this pin back. Right here, this one right here, this one. Pull that back. And there's another one here. Open that, and she pops right out. It comes right out. That's it. Okay. And this baby, it's a 4 gigabyte. I have to replace it now. So I'm looking at the memory stock here website, and it says they sell a 16. Okay, and it says compatible with the Lenovo iPad 320 15 ABR. But so what happens if I put a 16? It's got a 4 already. That gives me 20, and that's more than what the schematic says that is the max for this laptop. So what do? I don't know. I got to do a little more research right now. Okay, so I did a little research online, and I'm gonna go with an 8. 8 and 4 will give me 12, and that's as much as I feel safe with this laptop. So at least it's better than, it's a little better. We do what we can do. I'm going to try to buy it at Amazon, see if they got it. Okay, so I found this 8 gigabyte RAM, and it says it's compatible with my laptop, so even though it's a different brand. So we'll see. $16 is not bad. And as soon as I get it in, we'll continue with the installation video. Okay, so I just got the new RAM chip, and we'll be installing it. It'll give me from 8, it'll bump it up a little bit to 12, and I'll take what I can get. Okay, so I just want to show you real quick that you can't put this upside down because that little clip will not match the slots, so there's no way to put it backwards. Pretty ingenious. So we're just gonna stick that in there. There we go, just like so. And it just clicked on there in place. We'll replace the cover. We'll get all these pins back in its place, and then we'll cover it up and give it a try. Okay, so put the cover back in there. I'm gonna push it down. See, you hear that? So all the clips click back in place. There we go. There we go. Now, I'll put the screws back in the holes and flip it. Okay, so I'll put the CD back in. And so we'll secure it with that screw first. Okay, put the screw in there. There we go. Secured in place. Now we're going to screw all these screws back in the little holes. And now the proof in the pudding. Let's see what happens. She's alive. All right. Waiting. I also purchased this Bluetooth mouse, also same company, Lenovo. I don't like this trackpad thing. I'm old school, man. I want to see if this works via Bluetooth without having to occupy a USB slot. And if it does, hallelujah. Brings batteries. Pretty cool. Check it out. All right. She came back alive. Correct date and time. Let's see what happens. Okay. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I think it's a little slow at the beginning because it's getting used to the new RAM. We'll see. Just a moment, of course. Okay, she came back. Let's see what happens. All right, here we go. We're up and running. Now we're going to check the status of the RAM. Okay, so we go to accessories, system. Okay. We go to about. And it says 12 gigabytes of RAM installed. Success. It'll be a little faster. I'm going to press here where it says add a Bluetooth device. Mice, keyboards, and other kinds. Yes, that's what I want. Make sure the device is turned on and discoverable. Okay, it's on. Press the button. It's looking at my security camera. That's not what I want. Oh, it just came up here. It says Lenovo mouse. Yes. Connecting. And we're moving. And the mouse works via Bluetooth. All right, guys, so simple enough. Upgrade the RAM on the laptop, install a Bluetooth mouse, and I'm ready to get a little bit more speed, and it wasn't a hard task at all. I hope that you found this helpful. Leave me a comment, and thanks for watching. I want to thank, like always, all my subscribers. I'm getting up there. I'm in the 500 range, and if you like the video, give me a like. You know that helps. It doesn't cost you anything. Be kind and press the button. Thank you, guys. And like always, I always say, the Gman from Texas saying, peace, y'all.